This is a non-profit-based fandub. HeartCatch Pretty Cure is property of Toei Animation Co. Limited. We do not claim any ownership. All we own are the voices you hear. The following video is under the fair use statement and has been flipped to avoid any other copyright conflict. Please enjoy the fandub.
HeartCatch Pretty Cure. Alright, HeartCatch Pretty Cure. All together now. HeartCatch Pretty Cure. Let's let our heart flow and soar. HeartCatch Pretty Cure. Each day begins anew. Morning full of adventure. It's like a flower, blooming full of love. It just needs motivation with the proper care. It will be able to blossom. Don't let negative things get in your way. The moonlight wilt away. The sunshine will always rise. Catch Pretty Cure. Off the coast of the shore, the marine, they are a team. Alright, HeartCatch Pretty Cure. All together now. HeartCatch Pretty Cure. Let's let our heart flow and soar. Everyone must gather round to protect what they love. We will all fill this world with the flowers of